So after completing my medical degree at Manchester University, during which I was very privileged to be awarded a BMA Best Medical Research Award for a project I did looking at children with spina bifida. I then embarked on a training scheme in general surgery, whereby I trained in orthopedics and cardiac surgery as well as other surgical branches, and completed my diploma as member of the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh. I was then particularly attracted to ophthalmology or eye surgery because of its revolutionary new techniques, use of technologies such as lasers, the use of very delicate and precise operations which have to be done through a microscope, and also not only knowledge of biology and disease, but also a knowledge of optics and physics. So I trained initially in the Northwest and Scotland. I deliberately did not want to stay in one hospital because experts tend to do things differently, and I wanted to see all the different styles and theories of treatment and to get as broad a range of training as possible. So having initially trained in the Northwest and Scotland, I then also underwent further subspecialist training in London and Cambridge before completing my training as a consultant. So that took the best part of 10 years actually, and required quite a number of exams and yearly appraisals to make sure I was achieving the required targets. I'm now very privileged to be working in an NHS London hospital where I supervise trainee doctors and teach them surgery as well as supervise their academic improvement. I'm the Royal College of Ophthalmologists tutor for that hospital. Previously, I worked as a governance lead for our department, where I improved the safety and outcomes for patients, and I was very pleased to be awarded an NHS Excellence Award for my work in that field. In my NHS hospital, I'm repeatedly asked by some of my patients if I would see them privately because they have medical insurance, or they wish to self-pay because they have very busy lifestyles and jobs. And I'm happy to be able to do that now in our Centre of Excellence in London and provide a broad range of skills and expertise which I have learned throughout my many years of training.